Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel Decor and More with Anita. I'm your girl Anita, and in today's video I will be doing a few DIYs showing you how you could repurpose your paper towel roll. Yes, you heard me correct, and that's the paper towel roll that I just cut a while ago. So stick around, stay tuned to see what I'm going to be doing with this. If you're not yet subscribed, go right ahead, hit that subscribe button, become a part of the Decor and DIY family. Make sure you put your post notification bell on so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. So guys, all I'm doing is wrapping this paper towel roll, as you can see, with this burlap string that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. The little carrots, same concept, I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Pretty much the same thing they did with it, so everything is gonna look matching and looks good when it's done. Guys, I've done this DIY so much times. I've used different stuff to wrap the paper towel roll, and let me tell you, every time I do it, it turns out to be so beautiful. Everyone want to try this out. I'm sure you guys gonna want to try this one out. I'm telling you, it's gonna look so beautiful. I've done this on a live. I don't know if you guys have seen the live where I did this on a live. So I said, you know what, let me just make a video doing this just to show people, what you could do with your paper towel roll instead of throwing it away in the garbage. So yes guys, I'm just going to be wrapping this paper towel roll until I'm done. I'm just wrapping it pretty much using my glue gun to hold down one end. There's no need for you to be putting glue all over it. Just wrap, guys, until you come to the end of the other end of the paper towel roll, until everything is covered pretty much. So guys, we are almost done. So what I'm going to be doing is adding a little glue just to hold down the end of it and to cut it right there. Yeah, pretty much. So guys, this is very time consuming, but it is so worth it. I'm telling you, it looks so beautiful. So all my farmhouse fans out there, my farmhouse YouTubers out there, this is one that you're gonna love, because this is like a rustic kind of napkin holder, fit for any farmhouse tablescape. Look at it guys, it is absolutely beautiful. Just this neutral look I love to hit. Fit any farmhouse or boho kind of style. I think this would fit, and the carrot matches really well with it, except it's orange. yes, but it's pretty much the same concept they did, wrapping the you know, the whatever you're using, wrapping it basically with that string right there. So all I'm going to be doing is gluing the carrots down to the napkin ring. Look how beautiful that looks already, guys. So all you need to do is put like one line of glue and just put it on there and you're done. And this came out absolutely beautiful. Please comment down below and let me know what you think of this DIY. Also share my videos with your family and friends, guys, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All right, so basically that's it for this DIY. Easter napkin ring made out of paper towel roll. Guys, comment down below, let me know what you think. So for this other project that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using one of Dollar Tree's small vases, and I'm going to be basically adding the burlap string to the vase, creating a design. And this is pretty much straightforward and easy to do. All you're going to be doing is adding a little bit of glue to one end of the string. As you go along, you're going to add the glue as you make your design, and you know, you're going to just do that until the vase is covered pretty much with the design that you're going for using the string. So guys, this can be used as a vase, floating candle holder, pedestal. But watch until the end, guys, so that you could get all the ideas that you need for your project. So watch until the end, okay? So guys, here's another idea that you could use your paper towel roll for. I'm gonna be bending this flowers, and the reason why I'm bending it is so that it could fit inside a small vase. So all you're gonna do is bend your flowers and put it inside your paper towel roll, and cut it down to whatever length your vase is, and pretty much you'll have your flowers sitting in one position when you put it in the vase, instead of it like, you know, leaning down. You got to be fixing for it to straighten up, and it's just not sitting properly in the vase. It's a hassle. You don't need to do that, guys. All you need to do is use this paper towel roll and stick it down inside your vase. And I'm going to show you this with another vase. Okay, so here you have another DIY vase that I did. There's a video for that too, where I spray paint the coffee jar. This is actually a coffee jar turned into vase, and I spray painted the inside black. So guys, look how beautiful that looks. It sits right down inside the vase. No hassle, no fixing, nothing. It just sits properly. You don't have to do much fixing. It just stays in place, and this is what you want. So guys, the next time you're going to throw out your paper towel roll, just think about these hacks, think about these ideas that you could use them for, or I'm sure there may be more ideas, but when I find out, I will definitely let you know. You know, I don't hold anything from you guys. I'll give you guys all the ideas that you need, that I know I share with you guys. And this is how you could have your you know, another little styling that you could do with your vase. Yeah, but guys, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you gained a lot of information and ideas from this video. Until next time, guys, be creative, be blessed, take care.